Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about write DAX function. See this here, write DAX function syntax, write and text number of chars. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here, I'm already prepared some data. I type here new column. I see this here. Next I'm typing write. Okay, sorry, write. See this here, write returns a specified number of characters from the end of a text string. Okay, next press enter and I'm adding my table and column name. And next I want to show right side one. Okay, now I'm closing this parenthesis. See this here, now it's showing right one letter. Okay, I want to show right side two letters. Replace this one, press 2. See this here, automatically showing two letters right side. Okay, this is right DAX function in Power BI desktop.